So guys, I got an LG TV. This is my LG TV. So looked up on YouTube and about Wi-Fi not working. So looked up a guy and he said open the back and find out where the Wi-Fi card slot is. So you see these wires, they're all like jammed up really tight, as you can see there. They were like bent like that. And obviously if you have wires bent like that everywhere, even here, then it messes up on the connections. And now alhamdulillah my Wi-Fi is working. So yes, if that helps anybody, please like my channel. That's all I had to do, nothing else. Thank you.